Hi guys, time once again. Wait. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Steph and I am just an ordinary plant girl. If you are returning, thank you so much for being here. I am hot. It's hot. It's funny, here in BC, we can go from like monsoon season, stormy, rainy weather, that's mildly muggy, to like heat, and it's just hot everywhere. And it's humid hot, which I guess is good for all my plants and stuff. But anyway, I was saying in another video that I had ordered something called an Emerald Princess from an Etsy seller, and that has now arrived. So, yep, it came from Nature's Skin Treats, and they have plants too. So that is awesome. This is a really big box. I'm not used to boxes of this size because my plants are usually really small. But I'm really curious to see what it is we actually have here. So we're just going to get right into it because technically I am on my lunch break right now and have to get back to work at some point here today. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, I love it when I get little cards. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm a little too giddy. It's the sun, I tell ya. Aw, that's sweet. Okay, so, like I said, she says that it's an Emerald Princess. Never heard of an Emerald Princess before, but, so, here it is in the box, wrapped in tissue, lots of tissue, and some bubble wrap. It's actually much bigger than I expected. So, oh wow, okay. Just wanna. This is probably the largest plant that I have received by mail. There's some dirt in the box, but that's fine. Lots of bubble wrap that I can reuse. I can see orchid bark falling out the bottom, so we're already on the right track there. I'm way too excited today. I was actually really excited to get this because honestly I don't care what it is, really. Oh, ooh. Well, I lost one of the stakes. Okay, this is the actual stake for the plant, I think, because I think these two are just too... Oh, look at you! Oh my god. Oh yeah, you're definitely the stake. Okay. Trying to get it out. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I am so excited about this. Oh, crap everywhere. Look at her. So, I think that the light isn't the best in here, but so the Imperial Red, did I say Imperial before or did I say Emerald? I meant Imperial Princess. I hope that's what I said. I'll figure it out later. So with the Imperial Red, the leaves go from this like red maroony color to green. And it's like, it should be a lighter green. These ones kind of turn a deep green, which makes me wonder if it's actually a Rojo Congo. I'm gonna have to figure that out because, I mean, if it's a Rojo Congo, that is awesome. And look, this get ready. I'm squealing now. These leaves are just so much more mature than I thought. I mean, sometimes pictures lie, right? Like you figure that a picture lies. Or it's just, it's a stock photo from something that they had before. But damn, girl. Yep, I'm mildly obsessed with dark-leaved plants now. So, I don't even care. I'm so happy. I don't even care what you are, how long it takes us to find out what you are. But as much as I think you kind of should be an Imperial Red, I think you might actually be a Rojo. And that's fine by me. So guys, thanks for hanging in there with me. Again, this was just a short stop in. I have to get back to my other job, or my real job, the one that pays me. I'm so, it's like, look, like, it, like, come on, like, look at that, look at it, it's freaking fantastic. I would say that was a success. You are definitely not an Imperial Princess because I don't know what that is and I can't find it anywhere, but I love you nonetheless. And you and the Cardinal over there, I think you're my favorites right now of the philodendron species. Maybe not. I don't know. I love them all. All right, guys, take it easy. I will see you in the next video. Bye.